In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize transactions in Zoho Books. This streamlined process will help you maintain a well-organized financial system, making it much easier to track where your money is going and coming from. Whether you're managing the books for a business or simply organizing your personal finances, categorizing transactions can save you time and headaches down the line. Let's start our journey on the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your central hub where you can access all the financial details related to your account. To begin, you'll want to direct your attention to the main menu on your screen. Locate and click on the Banking section. This tab is essential as it will lead us to a list of your active bank accounts linked to Zoho Books. Once you click on Banking, you'll see a list of your accounts. Take a moment to review and choose an active account that you want to categorize transactions for. After selecting the appropriate account, go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a comprehensive list of all transactions associated with this account. At this stage, focusing on these transactions is key as it lays the groundwork for categorizing them accurately. Understanding the Transactions page is crucial. Here you will find various details like transaction dates, amounts, and types. This page is your canvas, which needs organizing. It's worth noting that meticulous tracking here can offer valuable insights into spending patterns, income sources, and areas where you might cut expenses. Now, let's move on to the next step, which is categorizing by date. Look for the button labeled Categorize by Date. Clicking on this button will allow you to sort and manage your transactions efficiently. It's a handy tool for keeping everything orderly and making sure transactions are categorized under their respective dates, which can be especially useful for monthly financial assessments or preparation for tax season. Remember, taking the time to properly categorize transactions as they occur sets the stage for smoother audits, financial planning, and reporting. It's not just about immediate organization, but about paving the way for future financial clarity and insight. That's a wrap on categorizing transactions in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you'll have an organized and clear picture of your financial activities, enabling better decision-making and financial strategy planning. Keep practicing, and soon this process will become second nature, bringing order to your financial world. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in enhancing your financial management skills with Zoho Books. Stay organized and informed, and until next time, take care.